Today, I'm going to show you how to program the basic functions of the Siemens SITRANS FM magnetic flow meter. To make changes to the configuration of the flow meter, access the programming menu. Hold the top up key for 2 seconds. You will be prompted to enter the password. The factory default password is 1000. Press the lock/unlock key. Press the change key. Press the lock/unlock key to enter the value. You are now in the programming mode. Press the lock/unlock key to access the basic settings parameters. The first parameter is mains frequency. If necessary, press the lock/unlock key to edit the parameters. Pressing the change key to change the mains frequency from 50 Hz to 60 Hz. To save this value, press the lock/unlock key. Press the forward key to view the next parameter. The flow direction parameter is set to positive. This indicates that the flow is going in the same direction as the directional arrow on the flow sensor. To advance to the next parameter without making any changes, press the forward key. The next parameter is Qmax. This parameter sets the units of flow and the value of the span. Press the lock/unlock key. Pressing the change key and the select key will change the span value and units of flow. When the desired units are set, press the lock/unlock key to save the changes. The totalizer is the next parameter. There are 2 independent totalizers. Press the lock/unlock key to access totalizer 1. Press the lock/unlock key a second time to edit the settings. Press the change key to move the decimal place to the desired location. Press the select key to access the units. Press the change key to change the units. Press the lock/unlock key to save the value. The final step of our basic programming is to turn on the current output. Press the top up key 3 times to move to the upper level of the menu structure. Press the forward key to move to the output menu. Press the lock/unlock key 3 times to edit the current output parameter. Press the change key to turn the current output on. Press the lock/unlock key to save the setting. You are now finished programming the basic functions of the flow meter. To quickly exit the programming menu, hold the top up key for 2 seconds. This will take you directly back to the operator screen. The larger number is the flow rate and the smaller number is the totalizer value. For more information on the advanced functions of the Siemens SITRANS FM magnetic flow meter, please refer to the instruction manual or visit the product website.